Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here ring volume. Just to unmute ringtone you should hold and swipe to the right side this white dot. Also we can make it by the second way, just by use the volume buttons here on the right side of our phone. But first we should switch volume button control from media to ringtone. Be sure that you have selected ringtone volume, and now just by press up volume button we can also unmute ringtone, and just we can make it by third way, just hold and swipe to the up this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.